Hello and welcome to another CARSTAR video. Today we'll be removing the glove box and subsequently the heater blower motor from a Renault Latitude. This is fairly easy to do and I believe anyone can do this at home with just this video. And let's get into our main demonstration. We start the process of removing the glove box by removing the cover on the outer part of the glove box. This is fairly simple to do. Once this is out, there's two Torx screws behind this cover, which are T20 Torx, I believe. Once you remove these ones, there will be other Torx screws, which I will show you in the video shortly. Once these are all completely out, the glove box will be out as well. As you can see, removing the screws one by one. This is fairly easy to do, this job, and I highly recommend giving it a shot at home. And the same way as you remove these parts, that's how you would reinstall them. You just do the opposite, going backtrack on this video. As you can see, I'm removing all the screws one by one. These are all Torx, and with just a little bit of a pull, the glove box is out. Our heater blower motor is behind the glove box to the top of the dash. Push the plug's clip and remove the plug. Once the plug is out, there was also Torx screws, 3 of these on the heater blower motor. Remove these one by one, and all that's left is for the heater blower motor to be wriggled out, and we need the space for this. That's why we are removing the glove box. If you are changing the blower motor, just follow this video in the opposite order. So you'll be putting and the direction of the heater blower motor, so the plug and the cable need to be going in this direction. This is a very simple vehicle to work on, especially for this part, so I do advise to give it a shot at home and save some money. And all that's left is just to wriggle the heater blower motor out. That's our heater blower motor. I hope you've enjoyed this video demonstration. Please show support, like, comment and subscribe, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.